April is hands down the best month to hit Dollar Tree if you love gardening, and most people have no idea what's sitting on those shelves right now. I just went on a trip this week, and friends, we need to talk. There are items here that are genuinely worth your money, things I actually use in my own garden, and a few products that sell out faster than you can grab a cart. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening. If you're new here, we dive into smart, budget-friendly ways to make your garden thrive without breaking the bank. Today we're counting down my top 10 picks for April 2026, from tools and planters to lighting and grow kits, plus one item that costs way less here than anywhere else. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. You don't want to miss any of the spring gardening finds I share. Your future garden will thank you. Let's get started. Find number 1: self-watering plant pot and saucer combo. If you're starting seedlings this spring, nothing beats a self-watering plant pot and saucer combo. And Dollar Tree has them in a variety of colors for just a few dollars. These aren't your typical tiny pots. They're roomy enough for both flowers and vegetables, giving your plants room to grow before you move them outside. The built-in water reservoir keeps soil consistently moist, which means less worry about overwatering or forgetting a day, a total lifesaver for busy gardeners. Shoppers rave that these sell out fast in spring, so grabbing a few now ensures your seedlings get the best start possible. I like to grab multiples, one for tomatoes, one for herbs and one for peppers. It's a simple way to keep your indoor garden organized and thriving. And because they're so affordable, you don't feel guilty buying extras or replacing them if they wear out. Pair these pots with your favorite soil mix and seeds, and you've got a setup that practically runs itself. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this little combo is an absolute must-have for April. Find number 2: Garden Collection gardening gloves. A good pair of gardening gloves is one of those small investments that make every task easier, and Dollar Tree has them for just $1.50 pair. The Garden Collection gloves come in charming colors and patterns, so they're functional and fun. They're perfect for everything from digging in the soil to planting seedlings or pruning delicate flowers. And because they're so affordable, you can grab extras without feeling guilty. These gloves are also a thoughtful little gift for your gardening friends or family, making them a budget-friendly way to share the love of gardening this spring. My tip? Pick up 2 pairs, one for heavy-duty tasks like digging and weeding, and another lighter pair for delicate work like sowing seeds or handling tender plants. Keeping a backup pair handy means you won't be stuck mid-project with muddy or worn-out gloves. Plus, they're easy to rinse off and reuse, making them a practical staple for every gardener's kit. In April, when the soil is soft and everyone's eager to get planting, these gloves quickly become your most used accessory. Find number 3: metal trellises. If you're growing cucumbers, beans, or small climbing roses this spring, a sturdy trellis can make all the difference, and Dollar Tree's metal trellises are a steal. Comparable trellises at big box stores can cost $4.98 or more each, but at Dollar Tree, you can grab 3 from the Garden Collection line for the same price. They're lightweight but durable, easy to stake in the ground, and their open design gives climbing plants plenty of space to grow without getting tangled. Spring is the perfect time to set these up, so your plants have a framework ready to climb as soon as they hit the garden. One of my favorite tricks is to line up multiple trellises side by side for a longer climbing run, or to create a mini garden partition. They're versatile, budget-friendly, and add a decorative touch to your garden while supporting your plants. Whether you're working with a small balcony garden or a full backyard plot, these metal trellises are a simple, effective way to boost both growth and aesthetics this April. Find number 4: solar mushroom string lights, 10-pack. Nothing transforms a garden at dusk quite like a set of twinkling lights, and Dollar Tree's solar mushroom string lights are a spring must-have. Each 10-pack comes with a built-in solar panel powered by a single AA rechargeable battery, so there's no need for plugs or complicated wiring. The lights stretch over 12 feet and are available in either white or multicolor, with stakes that make them easy to push right into the ground. They're perfect for lining pathways, edging raised beds, or even draping along a fence, providing a magical glow that's both decorative and functional. For just $6, these lights deliver style and convenience at a fraction of the cost you'd pay elsewhere. My favorite way to use them is along a row of planters or raised garden beds. They highlight the plants while keeping your outdoor space cozy and inviting as the sun sets. Because they're solar powered, you don't have to worry about running cords or replacing batteries constantly. Just let the sun do the work. Whether you're hosting friends for a spring evening or enjoying a quiet night in your garden, these lights add charm without the high price tag. making them one of April's top Dollar Tree finds. Find number 5. Grow your own plant kit. Spring is the perfect time to get a head start on your garden, and Dollar Tree's grow your own plant kits make it effortless. For just $5, each kit comes complete with everything you need to start plants indoors: seeds, a reusable pot, growing medium, and simple instructions. Options often include strawberries, lavender, tomatoes and daisies, giving you a variety of plants to experiment with. These kits are especially great for gardeners who want to teach kids about growing plants, or for anyone looking to add fresh herbs and flowers to their home without spending a fortune. Starting now in April means your plants will be ready to move outdoors as the weather warms up in May. What I love most about these kits is how convenient they are. The pots are colorful and reusable. The soil mix is easy to work with, and the seeds are chosen for success even for first-time growers. You can line them up on a sunny windowsill, check on them daily, and watch your garden come to life from the very beginning. Whether you're growing something edible or purely decorative, these kits take the guesswork out of seed starting and are a fun, budget-friendly way to jump into spring gardening. Find number 6. Metal garden hooks. Versatility is the name of the game when it comes to these metal garden hooks from Dollar Tree. Priced affordably, they're strong enough to hold hanging solar lights, bird feeders, suet logs, or even small branches that you want to train toward other plants. Because they're metal, they won't easily bend under weight, and their simple design blends seamlessly into any garden setup. Many gardeners keep a handful on hand to create functional, attractive displays without spending a fortune on specialty hardware. In April, when gardens are coming alive and you're starting to hang decorative or functional items, these hooks become surprisingly indispensable. I like to pair them with hanging wire baskets or lightweight planters for a complete display solution. They also work beautifully for seasonal decorations or for suspending tools within easy reach. Buying in bulk is a smart move. You'll find countless uses as the season progresses, from organizing your garden space to elevating plants off the ground for better sun exposure. For anyone looking to add both practicality and a touch of style to their garden, these metal hooks are a simple, budget-friendly must-have. Find number 7. Hanging wire basket. 10-inch. Hanging wire baskets are a spring garden game changer, and Dollar Tree's 10-inch options are both affordable and versatile. Each basket comes with its own hook, making it simple to hang from a porch, fence, or tree branch. They're perfect for giving plants maximum sun exposure, which can help fruits and flowers like strawberries or small peppers ripen faster. The open wire design allows for excellent air circulation and drainage, keeping your plants healthy and happy. At just a couple of dollars per basket, you can easily line a row of them along a railing or create a tiered hanging display without breaking the bank. One of my favorite ways to use these baskets is to mix edible and decorative plants for a striking visual effect. Imagine bright strawberries spilling over the edges alongside colorful flowers. It's both functional and beautiful. They're also great for small space gardening, allowing vertical growth when you don't have much ground area. Whether you're sprucing up a patio or starting an indoor-outdoor herb setup, these baskets are a simple, stylish, and incredibly practical addition to any April garden haul. Find number 8. Ergonomic cultivator and hand tools. Every gardener knows the difference a well-designed hand tool can make, and Dollar Tree's ergonomic cultivators and hand tools are surprisingly high quality for the price. With soft grip handles and sturdy construction, these tools make soil prep, weeding, and aerating around seedlings much easier on your hands and wrists. They come in a variety of colors, making it simple to keep a set just for specific tasks. Pruners, small trowels, and watering cans are often available alongside the cultivator, so you can grab a complete mini toolkit for less than the cost of a single tool at most hardware stores. These April staples help you get your garden off to a strong start while keeping your work comfortable and efficient. I like to keep a few different hand tools on hand. One for delicate work like transplanting seedlings, another for digging or turning soil, and a backup set for quick fixes or sharing with friends. Because they're so affordable, you don't have to worry about replacing worn-out tools or misplacing one mid-project. These tools are the unsung heroes of spring gardening. You'll reach for them every day, from preparing raised beds to tending young plants. For anyone looking to save money while still getting durable, reliable tools, these ergonomic options are a must-have this season. Find number 9. Metal plant stand, iron, multicolor. If you want to add height, style, and functionality to your garden or porch, Dollar Tree's new iron plant stands are a must-see. Priced at just $7, these sturdy stands come in cheerful colors and feature slotted drainage on the tabletop, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. They elevate planters off the ground, keeping leaves from collecting dust and allowing better airflow around your plants. Whether you're creating a tiered display, showcasing a favorite flowering plant, or simply giving potted herbs a home with more sun exposure, these stands add an instant design boost without breaking the budget. My favorite trick is to group 2 or 3 together to create a layered effect. The added height draws the eye, and makes even a small garden corner feel dynamic and organized. They're also great for protecting delicate plants from pets or pests while keeping your space stylish. For April gardeners looking to combine practicality with aesthetics, these metal plant stands are an easy and affordable way to elevate your garden, literally and figuratively. Find number 10. Hummingbird feeder. Spring is the perfect time to welcome back hummingbirds, and Dollar Tree's red hummingbird feeders make it easy, affordable, and fun. At just $1.50 each, you can hang 2 or more in your garden to attract these tiny dazzling visitors as they return from their winter migration. The feeders are designed for convenience, simple to fill with a basic 4:1 water-to-sugar solution and easy to hang near flower beds or on hooks. No red dye is necessary, making them a safe natural choice for your garden. Watching hummingbirds flit around your plants not only adds life and movement, but also helps pollinate flowers, giving your garden a productivity boost alongside the beauty. I love placing these feeders near clusters of bright blooms, like petunias or salvias, where the birds are more likely to visit frequently. Hanging 2 at slightly different heights creates a little hummingbird hotspot, and because they're so affordable, you don't have to worry about investing heavily to get multiple feeders. This small addition turns your garden into a lively, interactive space, and it's one of those April finds that makes your outdoor area feel instantly more vibrant and alive. For gardeners who want to combine aesthetic appeal with practical benefits for their plants, these feeders are an absolute spring essential. And there you have it, my top 10 Dollar Tree finds for April 2026. From self-watering pots and grow kits, to solar lights, metal trellises, and even hummingbird feeders, each of these items brings real value to your garden without draining your wallet. Remember, spring is the busiest time for these products, and they fly off the shelves fast, especially planters, gloves, and kits, so grab extras while you can. If you've spotted anything amazing at Dollar Tree lately, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video helped you save some money or gave you ideas for your spring garden, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next haul. Your future garden will thank you.